Welcome to Achiase Senior High School. We are the reigning champions of the 16th Independence Day Quiz Eastern Region.
My name is Daku Emmanuel.
Asar Festus is my name.
Hensha Williams is my name.
I'm in the person of Abuajero on Kabina.
My name is Hammond Frank.
Kakari Richmond Jr. is my name.
I'm Posana Nakwambaso.
Okay, you are welcome to Odan Citizen TV. Okay, Mama Kwababa Odan Citizen TV. I'm Tiasa Muna Moko Stanley at Achiase Senior High School. And name was 66th Eastern Regional Independence Quiz. Now, Moko na quiz at the side, the kind.
First of all, I'd like to thank our teachers, initially the most I got, because he's played the integral role towards our success. And initially, as we entered the dressing of some schools even unleashed a pressure on us, but since we were prepared, we find a way, a means of conquering them. So at the end of the day, we were crowned victorious.
Okay, schools ban amuna contest no.
Ganas, Okuyapimai, Obo Girls, others Suprisek, St. Stephen, Abetifi Presby.
It is schools in Yana say.
We were 8 in all.
Oh, okay. And you know, this is your first time I'm for Eastern Regional Independence Day Quiz, Nana.
No, this is our third time.
Third time.
Yeah.
Okay, so the first time now which year?
And that was 2020.
Oh, okay.
The second
Moko.
time was 2022. That was last year.
Oh, okay. So the first
We were
time.
second in all.
Nina muto second, first and second nina. But this year na mutimi every ni eje crown no the buy. Oh, okay. It's no answer be kono. We started free anyway so. We see udi ni there.
It's my name Daku Emmanuel.
Daku Emmanuel. Okay, na quiz no kwa hu ni say.
Say you can call to say me session. Say call no. Pressure be am dan say you can call until we send questions in now we set FBI high.
Okay.
Follow rules.
Okay.
To me the first.
Okay. Now it was udi ni there. Oh, okay. Was we kwa no quiz no how the converse na utimi hu.
Quiz in the Yakwani, if it is no pressure to us. You say, if you dress Kakaka, bit me at also. Now, so essence, you are going to tea. It's me a concow.
Oh, okay. Yo.
And teaching India Mayana. You did say you which made a father.
Oh, okay.
A crabber. Yes, we did can one in fear, no chess or no answer made the baby. Any call us, but at the end of the day, no. If you didn't come, but you try to better your church for us, Mr. Richmond Trainer.
I would know.
Acha Hammond Frank. Quiz in the Yokon the Yakudu on Yamenu Quenny. Other schools in the crown, dress in the crumble. And I am a pressure.
Achiase Senior High School, champions of 66th Independence Day Quiz, Eastern Region.
Yeah.
Okay, you know. Let's start with that. And also, Mama support me, Mamma Timmy. Eddie Sam couldn't be about Achiase Senior High School.
And Patrick Dick and I said, I can say that the Bema, William Poyan for concert. Danny then now boy a chidom, not the call at the about doing something before. We poor and found him who makes me able to say, Yanko Poyan find couldn't be able to now do more. You might need Send my 12 Proverbs 21 verse 31 said, the horse is made ready for the day of battle, but victory belongs to him, Lord. No just a convoy crowd the one man so in the able to finish a riding scene. So I found them when you in fact they told me in medal a teacher Mr. Richmond Ottery on name Mr. Foster said I need them now more how many others when I'm more busy and so I'm to meet out down my watch right here to be to miss the armor the chin or brave won't be and so I'm with the ways for some boy. They told you here the headmaster any the quiz coordinator, Mr. Rikodame and Mr. Rikamoa. The must be Brianni, the students are more chances in high school, so I'm a boy at Chidom, they do BBRC. Now, Musha and say national state for a day, truth in the baby school, and do BRC.
Okay. Okay, you know, I'm not asking a question. Some women know, yes, it is Muna, Munina, Moya, the more. It's in the same business. Yes, I bind the buy. I have helpful to you and a boamo or crimes and answer and one more crimes.
Patrol, I have SHS policy now and out of the buy. A boy, if you say you move the grow one, Caribbean, say, SHS young bank, I ain't mean best school, and they actually be a Bianca, my best school, so I come to me, Benjamin Pension, Meda na now the danko kufa do ni penny for us e that Quiz’ SHS policy am the buy aboa Ghana nkola pa.
Okay, you know, we share school mu hia moa. It's no share e mo be na best free aban ho na say NGOs non governmental organizations say amunti me bo mu school na amunti nya dai enye mam.
Patrol di kan mesra ban say ye teachers bungalow na wa. Ye ni bi ankasa nti teachers e wo school kese we mu na ye 9 prayer 4. The best one some we see teachers bungalows and ye abandoned one say na be ya a church for mu ko so bitumi ni abetina wa na ma e ho ban boss e mu so akoyi na bi nso school no population na over 1600 nti amana dormitories na mu aye congested bi mu kra da bontin the best ban say embassy dormitories ni bi mo and if you about house one so one year kra nti express all the big account. Achiase Senior High School, champions of 66th Independence Day Quiz, Eastern Region.
Yeah.